And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Well, today may be one of the last somewhat comfortable days around. The humidity's down. Temperatures, though, starting to go up a bit more today. So probably want to get outside for a while today if you can. I mean, as soon as I'm done with work, yeah, got to get out there today for sure. But let's see what we have. Highs today back in the 90s, which, you know, is pretty typical for September. But the humidity is down for one last day, really. So it may not feel super hot and sweaty out there. Highs will be in the 80s along the coast, but sunshine and light winds today. Your day planner goes from 60s this morning, where we are right now, to the 80s at lunchtime and 90s this afternoon with sunshine all day long and light winds from the west this morning that may become more of a north wind this afternoon, but still stay fairly light. Across Texas, there are no hot temperatures around. It's in the 50s and 60s this morning, but will be mostly in the 80s this afternoon around the state. Just a kind of nice, warm, late summer day, but the humidity is low across all of Texas, but will start to rise here everywhere over the next couple of days. Now in the tropics, Irma is kind of fading away, still creating some rain around Georgia and parts of the southeastern United States, but Jose is still out there. This is a storm that is, you know, kind of just hanging out in the Atlantic and is still barely a hurricane. Forecasting maybe weaken a bit over the next day or two, but watch how it loops around. This is a 5-day track, and we'll show you the time at the very end. Could try to make a return back to the west-northwest by Sunday. Some long-range models kind of take it a little closer to the east coast of the United States, kind of more or less up in this range, maybe very close to the coast by early next week. So something to watch there. You know, we don't want Jose to come moving inland, but it may be close to the east coast of the United States by next Monday and Tuesday. So something to watch if you have travel plans that way about a week from now, especially. So we'll keep an eye on Jose. At the coast, dry weather at the coast today. No advisories in effect. A north wind, fairly light. A low tide this afternoon, a high tide just after midnight, and then a low tide continues on Wednesday at 3:22 p.m. with water temperatures near 80 degrees. First Warn 5 forecast today near 94, but with sunshine and low humidity. And your First Warn 5 70 forecast after today, temperatures get hotter and the humidity gets higher. Even though the sunshine stays out for a while, it's just looking hotter and more humid. Highs back in the upper 90s, near 100 later this week, especially by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It looks very hot and humid, and then it stays hot for a while. So we'll keep watching those hot days around the corner in your First Warn 5 forecast here in a few minutes.